Hello traders. Imagine a single candle on a chart, an ordinary green or red candle. It might seem like nothing special, but this candle can completely change your trading and even your life. And now I'll show you how it works. First, you need to determine the overall market direction. You look at the daily chart and evaluate. For how to correctly identify the trend direction, check out these videos on my channel. Next, we need to find that magic candle. Markets open and close. It's simple. Open green line, close red line. Now we move to a smaller time frame, because it's there that we can see how the price behaves within the day. When the market is bullish, we will look for an entry point only below the candle's open line. The goal is to wait until the market creates liquidity from sells below the open. Essentially, we're looking for a point where the price reacts respectfully to levels and is ready to reverse. Once you've marked the daily candles open and close, it's time to look for key intraday signals. If you pay attention, you can see that after a while, the price breaks the market structure and collects all the lower liquidity. The next point is the fair value area. This is the space where the market balances between supply and demand. Usually, after a structure breakout, the price returns to this zone. This is where we look for the perfect entry. That is, we wait for the price to retrace back to this zone, and only then open a trade. Important to remember risk management. We need to set take profit roughly at the daily candle's close, and stop loss slightly below the recent low. This approach helps protect capital while still capturing significant moves. And here's what's important, this method is not about guessing but about precise market observation. You watch the candle, the structure, the zones, and if everything is done correctly, one candle really can change your trading. You'll go test the strategy anyway. Follow the link in the description on the trusted by Bit crypto exchange to get maximum bonuses. Let's break down this strategy with a short example. Suppose we have a daily candle that we've already marked. Pay attention to its open, that's our green line, and the close red. As I mentioned, next we move to a smaller time frame and start observing price movement. Important to wait for a moment when buying liquidity appears, meaning market participants create upward pressure. After that, we watch for a full structure break. Now pay attention to the value area. After a structure breakout, the price almost always returns to this zone and consolidates for some time. Here we open a trade, in our case, a sell, because the market has generally entered a bearish trend. We set take profit at the daily candles close to capture the move, and stop loss slightly below the last low. It's pretty simple. One candle, the right signal, understanding structure and zones, and you're already capturing a winning move. You see how the market reacts, learn to wait for the moment, and act precisely. One candle can truly change the course of trading if you read and use it correctly. Even if you're a beginner, following this simple system, you can make confident and profitable decisions. Take your candle, observe, learn, and act. One candle really can change everything. If this video was useful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.